Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss Euro, US dollar and this is a forecast which will be valid for 18th and 19th April 2023. Obviously I have discussed Euro, US dollar in my weekly Forex forecast video or session I should say. Today I'm going to go one step further and I will be finding out some daily opportunities if there are some beginners and who want to practice them on real accounts or on practice. So it will be super beneficial for all of those traders. Now my existing subscribers, they already know my strategy. If you are someone who are new to my channel, make sure to go to my channel, browse some of the videos that I have, and I'm sure you will have a complete understanding of my strategy, which almost works more than 80% of the time. With a very tiny stop loss, you can make good profits. So this strategy includes very nice risk management as well, but for that you have to understand it. So, first of all, friends, let's see what I have discussed in the weekly forecast. Just like I have said that euro dollar is clearly on this uptrend, let me show you a very nice uptrend. But today I will try to correlate it with uh, dollar CAD. Let me launch the chart of dollar CAD as well. This is not forecast for the dollar CAD, right? So keep that thing in mind. This is a forecast for euro US dollar, but today I'm going to add uh, correlation with other pairs, so dollar CAD and dollar yen. And let's see now, today is going to be a very special episode, so make sure to watch and follow me my each and every step so that you can get to the depth of my strategy. So euro US dollar, let me find out where was the first impulsive wave which is negative that I have discussed in the weekly forecast videos, and in the previous video, most probably on Friday or maybe Thursday, I have uploaded forecast for euro dollar, and in that video I have discussed this level, and it is clearly showing me that it's going to approach 1.13489. But stay with me, this is not yet final. Obviously market structure will be showing me anything, but it doesn't mean it is valid unless I run my whole analysis on that particular pair. So if then we see the dollar CAD, since euro dollar is pointing up and these pairs move against each other. If you follow my previous videos or analysis, I assume you must have be in profit of around from here 430 pips, and yes, exactly 1:1 trade, then a 61, and then another 430 pips and a double top and another 491 pips, and I have discussed all of these in the previous videos. So what I am looking for on the dollar CAD on the weekly time frame, obviously it is struggling right here. Okay, so if it is struggling, and even first time it rejected from here, second time it rejected from here, and now the third time, let's see. But overall it's giving me signs of reversal to the bottom side, and if this reversal for the next of the year, this is my prediction that dollar CAD will come back down maybe till October or November till 1.27730. So it's coming down. This much information is enough for me. Similarly, dollar yen, it's going up. The rally almost started from the level which I have discussed. So it's coming down, and it's showing it's going up. Now let's find out some daily opportunities that you can trade, right? Let's delete everything. These are the long term, so if you are interested into the long term analysis, make sure to follow my weekly analysis and the dedicated euro US dollar sessions that I upload on weekly basis. On the H4, if we see a very nice trend line, and if I show you this trend line, each bounce is followed by a 61.8. This is a 61.8 of this impulsive wave. Let me actually complete this so that you can easily understand it, and you can memorize this pattern, because it will help you. It will help you, mark my words, note it down. It will help you in the future. See, this is point A, point B, and just see, this point B is like a reversal from this previous resistance zone. See, 142 pips. So if let's say you wanted to take this trade on the basis of this top, you could very easily generate 127 pips on the H4, which is like in one day 124 pips is more than enough. 1240 pip, 1240 dollars. So that's a very nice and handsome amount of profit, and you can grow your accounts very easily with the strategy. So now this ABCD pattern is completed. Then in between there, when it gave this breakout, just have a look at it. When it gave this breakout, this one, see, these candle closes above, this one closes above these, and then a break in. Finally, at that time, we had a new impulsive wave formed, and this was the 61.8. So this down move to me was not tradable, because there was nothing right here. Okay, even it was not able. It wasn't good for any buy trade, and I will discuss that some other time. Most probably, if we get time today, I will discuss it. But since I'm fasting and a bit low on energy, so let's see. Like when a breakout happens like this, usually the traders try to take buy trades. So very nice concept, but let's see, I will discuss that later. For now, just focus on this 61.8 and a new impulsive wave, and from here this impulsive wave got completed, and this is the point D for that. And this is the like a very ideal professional type of trade setup or pattern, you can say. Usually we in our terms we call it uh, we call this pattern a three drives pattern, followed by a channel, sort of a flag with an up channel right here, followed up by a very nice bottom. So remember, this trend started on this bottom, and I'm so sure that it will end on a double top. Let's see if we can get it right there. That will be super fine. Otherwise, if you took this trade which I gave you in the weekly forecast, 158 pips, I think close it. You must already have closed that. Now let's see this Fibonacci, and just have a look at it. From 61.8 it's going up, and target will be 1.10. So a very simple strategy, my friends. But most of the times when you look at these patterns and these structures, you start to puzzle yourself, and it has a valid reason. And the reason is you guys just focus on a very near term future, I should say. But keeping in mind the long term perspective of your trading career, I think it will be giving you more and more profits. Now let's see that on the H1 for now, because obviously I'm going to find out some trade opportunities for the daily traders. So on the H4, a very nice uptrend right here. Okay, followed by a 61. There is one sell opportunity we have, and that will be if price bounces off from 1.10114, you can take a sell trade. Stop will be right here. So let's count stop how much it is. 82 pips of stop loss can potentially give you how much profit. Let's see if the risk to reward is good enough, then most probably I will be taking it. See, and it's pointing towards this previous support from where the market initially lifted to the top. A nice sell is waiting and a take profit of 166 pips and 96 pips of stop loss. I think this is ideal. You can take it. If you are holding a buy position from here, you can close it at 1.10114. If you want to take some fresh buy trades, well, for long term, I think the buy trade will not be so suitable at this particular moment. But yes, on the short term, on the hourly chart, if the price go up there, if you don't want to take this sell trade, you can wait for the market to come back down to 61, and this will be the perfect trade setup. And this is my personal one. I will be looking for euro US dollar to take a buy trade near 1.09458, and let's complete the ABCD pattern and see where it's going to form. Complete. It will be complete at 1.10464, and if you see here, we have a nice previous sort of like some activity happened right here. Maybe there were order blocks right here. If you see smart money concepts right here, and obviously they gave a breakout. This was tradable enough, but on the H1, but usually I don't get enough time to trade the H1. So for the H1, this is the trade setup. Now the dollar CAD, let's find out what's going on up there on the dollar CAD. If on the H1 seems like a buy trade will always almost be valid. On the higher time frame, it's coming back down, but I think if we can take a buy trade near this zone 1.33437, I think it will be further good. It's dropping down, and it is expected that it will retest this zone, but no worries to take any sort of tensions. Our stops will already be at 1.32914, and to the sell side, if you took this trade on the basis of point D, because we have got a point D completion right there, and without a single pip of drawdown, just have a look at it, market exactly bounces back from right here and is 61 pips up till now so far. So let's see 1.33437. If it works, that will be super fine, and it will be a very less risky type of trade, this one. And obviously, if you take a buy trade from here, there are a lot of concepts, but for now I think I will just be closing the deals near 1.3391. Like, eat little but forever, don't be too greedy. Greed can ruin all of your trading career, believe me, my friends. So this is the dollar CAD and the dollar yen. If we see dollar yen very nicely on the H4 is like it has almost started its rally down. So I will consider it, no doubt I will consider it for a sell, but I just need a break into the structure. See, like if we see this previous support, which became, it was supposed to become a resistance, but it did not, because huge Fibonacci numbers and impulsive waves were behind them. Obviously, dollar yen is pointing to the top, but for now, I think on the H1, let's see if we can find something. Let's study this pattern a little bit, because we have to understand, as an analyst, we have to understand what type of traders are there in the market. So I have like in my premium course, I have classified these people into different categories. Like these are very, very different people. They just jumped into the market, and each time the market gave a pullback, they pushed the market up, made profit, took their money out of the market. When sellers jumped into the market, they pushed the market further up and made further profits. And obviously, when this story was continued, when the big traders they saw this, they saw, okay, you are like very cleverly taking the market up, so let's take a big jump, and here is the result. So they appear to me, these are separate people, right? They are very strong people. I should say they can move the market. These people are these one. They are the one, the price that move in the channel. These are like channel traders. They have not enough powers. They are also hedge funds. Okay, these are banks and hedge funds. But just like in every field of life, there are categories. Similarly, there are some smaller hedge funds, bigger hedge funds, stuff like that. So a jump, and just have a look at it from where the market reversed a previous zone. It was broken right here just to trap the retailers, but it bounces off from here, and now here comes in the role of Fibonacci. Seems like a 50 retracement. No, exactly 61.8 retracement right here. Then you guys say it doesn't work. You don't follow me nicely. Then you say it doesn't work. See how nicely it's going up. So it was pointing up till 135.369. So obviously for now, it's coming back down, and a nice TP of around 200 pips you can generate, and there I will be waiting for taking a buy trade, a nice one I should say. And if we then complete that pattern, it will be clearly pointing, and it will be completing right here. See, so very, very simple strategy, very nice one. Maybe there is one opportunity. Most traders will be taking buy trades right here on the basis of retest, but personally for the buy trade I will be interested to take it from 132.74. So I hope you must have understood that how I do these analysis, how it works. And if you follow my each and every step, I'm sure within a short span of time you will be a master of this strategy. If you want to do it a bit more quickly, let's say you cannot spend 3 4 years on learning, uh, then you can contact me. We can discuss. You can hire my services, mentorship services. So, but if you can follow me on YouTube, you don't need any mentorship services or any service like that. Try to learn it yourself. Like try to learn fishing yourself, and catch fish forever for yourself. It's a very simple concept. Those who understand it on time will be in profit, will have an extra edge over those traders who don't know these things, right? So this was a little forecast. I hope you make lots and lots of profits. I'll see you tomorrow in another episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Make sure to leave a like, and goodbye.